How to redeem Gamestop gift card online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for gamestop.com. Well, it will land you on the official page of Gamestop. Once you're in here, click on sign in at the top right. Now you have to enter your login credentials, as in your email address and the password, and then click on sign in. Once you have signed into this, head over to any of the game that you want to purchase. Let's say this is the game I want to purchase. Click on add to cart at the bottom right. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down and once again click on add to cart. This interface will appear. Click on view cart and check out. Look into your order details and then click on proceed to checkout. At the bottom left corner, you can see the option where it says add gift card or trade-in credit. Tap on it. Now what you want to do is simply enter your gift card or trade-in number, and also don't forget to enter the PIN. Once you have entered, click on apply and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Gamestop gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.